To begin editing a video in WeVideo, you want to start on the dashboard and select Video. From here, we can decide whether we want to upload our own content, which we can do right from here, and we can right-click and select Import here. You can browse from your desktop or you can go into your Google Drive to find videos. We can also find media in the Stock Media tab. So the media that you bring in, you'll find in your My Media. Whereas if you want to use the stock media from the program itself, you can do that as well. Whichever one you use, when you find the video that you want, and today we're just going to use this image right here, you're going to click it and you want to drag it in. Now we're going to see right here we have video 1, video 2. And when we bring it in, we can select where exactly we want that video to be. So at the very beginning, we'll drag it this way. If we want to maybe go over to that text and put something in with the text first, so say for instance, we're going to bring this in, we can do that. Now you see the space between these two. We want to make sure that they match up because we want our video to play continuously without a space of just blank video. So if we left room there, that's what would happen. So we want to make sure these are nice and close. And then we can come over here and we can hit play and watch what's going to happen. We can go into the videos and do some specific customization right in here. So I'm going to pause this and maybe I only want it to play instead of going near 20 seconds. It looks like this is going to end right around 17 actually. Say I only want it to go to 15. I can click that and bring it back to exactly 15 seconds if I want. I can also double click in here and I can change the text and I can type in whatever I want this to say. I can adjust the colors. Maybe I would prefer this to be a red. And I can see what it looks like here. Just this one clip that I'm editing at this moment, I can hit play and look just at that specific piece. And if I like what I've done, I can click Save Changes. And I can do the same here. Now we're going to notice that you have more options in the video than we do in just the text. In the text, I can move it around, flip it all around, up and down, and I can change the words in it. Whereas when I double click to do some changing within the video, I have a lot more options here. We can see that same transform where we can rotate the video around the screen, but we can start to crop horizontally, and this just, you can see these match right up with the video itself. We can do bottom and top here as well. I can animate it, meaning I can start in one place in the screen and have the video end in another place. I can adjust the colors. I can use a chroma key, and this is some green screen. I'll do a video specific on using green screen. And you can even speed it up. So maybe instead of trimming it back to 15 seconds, I could actually make the video move a little bit faster. And that's a way I can address that. So in the animation, which is one that's not exactly self-explanatory, I can decide that I want to make this a little bit smaller and say I want it to start right here. And then I want it to end back to being full screen. It made itself. I'm going to make it a little extra big, and I'm going to have it end right here. So when I do that and I hit rewind, you can see it starts there and actually kind of moves within the video itself, and you get not only the video but like a movement of it too. So we can put all of those different pieces in, and I can hit Save Changes. Now what's really cool about this video 1 and video 2 is that we can layer our videos. So maybe, I'll come back over here and I'm going to go to Stock Media, and I'm just going to put Night Sky. So I've just got some space kind of picture here, right? We've got another one right there. I'm going to move that planet that we just kind of did stuff with, and I'm going to put this behind it. Now, As I've said before, we can change how long some of the video is. So I'm going to change that a little bit right there. And now when I hit rewind, because it starts out small, I actually am going to have that bottom video kind of peek through and you can see it zooming up like that. So you have a way of kind of playing around with how things look and what's going on. And that's how you want to do some editing and bringing in video in WeVideo.